What's going on, baby? Welcome to the Mr. Phillips workbench, strewn with various hardwares and bits for Mr. Phillips' Time Attack 2020 project. Anyway, so people who don't have the magnets, I got some pretty strong neodymium, however you want to pronounce it, magnets here to test out. Let's see, I want 3 different types, so you do tests on 3 different types of metal, or rather 3 different metal objects. I mean, honestly, it could be any one of these. Oh! These. See, we're getting a traction there, actually, but yeah, that one works too. Zap. But, interestingly, check it out. Garden trowel. Nothing. Weird. Ah! I lost him! Ah! Alright. So this is a washer, it's called. A nut. Okay, in each case, we're not really getting anything. What do I have? Greater than an inch. Okay. Nothing really greater than, no attraction at a distance greater than an inch, but as we get closer, less than an inch, we get attraction. Okay, washer, nut, don't worry, but I mean, this is called a bit. I mean, essentially. It's actually broken apart, but, bolt. Yes! Ah! Too strong. Garden trowel. Nothing. Even at close distances. Alright, what's next? Wood. Well, this is made of wood. Just trust me. Nothing. Got nothing. Paper. Paper towel. Nothing. Rubber. Okay, I got a wheel here for a dolly that I never repaired. Nothing. Hockey puck. Nothing. Hard plastic. Here's a plastic bracket for my racing seat that I broke. All right. Nothing. What else for this random hardware wrapper. Nothing. Glass. Nope. Nothing. At any distance. What else do I have for glass? About like a window. No, I'm just tapping. There's nothing. Okay. It's a good glass. Wood / I did that out of order. Fabric. There's a raglet. Not getting anything. Another raglet. Shirt. Another shirt, which will be future raglets. Rags. Human. Well, if I can do this. I can't. I'm holding my phone with my other hand, so whatever. Here. Nothing. Food. Mrs. Phillips got probably about 50 limes. She said she's going to make a whole lot of guacamole. Nothing. Potato. Nothing. Nothing really with the foods. I think that's it. Oh, we need two humans down for human. Mrs. Phillips is upstairs in the kitchen making biscuits for breakfast. So I'm not going to disturb her. But just trust me, it doesn't, nothing. Okay.